Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel where I teach you how to build an impactful online business. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about hiding your sold listing history of your Etsy store and why you should care to hide them. Now many Etsy sellers actually don't know that they could hide sold listings. However, the number of sales will still be there. It just won't be a clickable link if you opt out to hide sales history. So you want to make sure that you stick around all the way to the end because I'm going to show you how to turn it off if that's the option you choose to do. So let's first start talking about why I think you should turn off your sales history. So for me, there are two main reasons why I have mine turned off for all of my Etsy stores. The main reason is because I really don't want anyone to know how much or an accurate amount of how much income I have made. This should be an option that I choose to disclose with others if I want to. So if you don't opt out and hide your sales history, people could essentially, be nosy, click on your sold listing, see which listings sold, and have an idea of your income. I don't like that at all. I rather turn it off and not disclose this with others. It actually feels very intrusive and, to be quite honest, nobody's business. The second reason why I have my sales history turned off is because I don't want my competitors to see what exactly is selling on my store, because you will get the copycats who see the success of others, right? And they're like, hey, I could do that too. And then you have a whole bunch of people who say they got inspired by your shop and now they're selling the same exact items like your shop. And this is the main reason why you see so many stores on Etsy selling similar items or exact products and services. And I'm sure that there are many other reasons why showing your history sales is not an effective strategy as an Etsy seller. But these are my two main reasons why I choose to opt out for mine. So will you be hiding yours? Let me know in the comments below, and let's head over to my computer and I will show you how to turn off your sales history. So here we are in one of my stores. And when you look at the actual sales right here, if you hover on top of it, it has a little link. And that becomes a clickable link, which means that when people click here, they're able to see what listings I have sold from my store. So from there, they could get a lot of information from how much income am I making, what are the top products that people have in their cart, right? They could also, like I said earlier, start calculating an average of my income. So in order to hide all of this information and everything else that they will gather from it, all you need to do is you will head over to your shop manager. And from there, you will go to settings, and then you will go to options. And from here, you will go all the way down and you will turn off. So you want to click on no, hide them. And then you will save it. Once you do that, you will go back to your store, to your homepage. And as you can see, it's not a clickable link anymore. If somebody tries to see your listing history, they no longer could see it. They could still see the actual amount of sales that you have gotten. Hopefully in the future, Etsy will go ahead and remove this as an option. As of now, it's something that they have on every store, and there's no way of turning off the amount of sales that you have gotten. However, at least you could protect yourself a little bit more by hiding your actual top listings, hiding somewhat your income and other information that people will use, especially competitors, to get a head advantage of your store. So this is how you turn it off. Let me know if you enjoyed these type of videos in the comment below, and don't forget to like this video. Thank you guys for watching.